The good part. Shitty part. Fucking believe that? Alrighty, kids, looks like everything that we need to do our license plate delete relocation on the 2015 WRX has come in the mail. So yeah, we got our Perrin relocation plate post that's going to go in where the tow hook usually goes. The IAG stealth mount, so we're going to have to pop off the bumper to get to that. And of course, these wonderfully high quality Savage license plate covers. I mean, look at how that's the same position on both of them. Just kidding. Good thing they took so long to get here. They were free. We like free. Reconocido por su calidad. So yeah, we'll get all that up and put it on. Have some fun doing it, and we'll see you on the flip side. Alrighty, and once you get your bumper off, disconnect those things. Make sure you've got these disconnected so you got a little bit of play with that. You can roll your bumper down. Just be careful not to scratch the shit out of it. And yeah, then you have access to this for your stealth mount. Make sure you give that a good wipe and clean behind there. So clean that up, stick that on, Loctite it up. There we go, she's a beaut. So you're actually gonna wanna feed this through from the front. So I jumped the gun on getting to the back there. But you're gonna line your holes up with the holes on the back of that plate. Now we've got that plate seated underneath. We're gonna add a little bit of Loctite into these fucking holes. God, that worked super well. All right, that's tight as hell. Gonna have to buff these out apparently because that looks like shit, but other than that, we'll be all right. Next step, all clipped back up. Yeah, I like it. So to pop that out, we just use a flathead screwdriver in a towel and pop it out. It'll come out. You'll have this little tie thing down there in the back. Push that down. It fits back out throughout the hole. And back in there is where you screw in your Perrin relocator. Got this little bad boy. Pull it out of there. Stick it in that hole. Screw it down with some anti-seize on it, which they do include. This is, of course, the Canadian WRX modifications. Jurassic Park. So yeah, we got our Perrin stem. If your hole looks kind of gross and corroded, and mine might be, yeah, you're gonna fire that little bit of the old anti-seize on there and get it in. Alrighty, and you got that screwed all the way in. Like, put it all the way in. Your hole's probably gonna be a little bit tight, but with that anti-seize on, you shouldn't have a problem. I hope it's not cross-threaded. And yeah, on we go. I'm gonna put a washer, maybe 2 washers, and yeah, they even include one of those. So I had an extra backup, but I'll flag Perrin. Cool. There you go. Make sure that you've got at least 1 washer between your back and 1 washer between your front. And like the instructions say, torque her down to 30 pounds. You got a handful of nuts and bolts to attach your license plate, and yeah, there we go, spiffed up from the front. She looked good from the front.